Hello Dan, Kayvon, Desmond. My name is George Gabriel and this is my video for you guys. So initially I actually had no idea who Dan was prior to watching the webinar with Stefan James, and it was about 2 a.m. my time here when the webinar was going to go live in London, and I had the email sent to me from Stefan James about his webinar with Dan Locke. And for some reason I just thought to myself, okay, I'm going to give this a chance, give this a try. I'm gonna, stay up late, watch this webinar, something I don't normally do. I've actually never watched a webinar in my life before. But I listened to Stefan James. I trusted in him, and I did a little bit of background research on Dan Locke prior to that, and I just thought, okay, he really seems like someone who really knows what he's doing, and I could actually get something out of this webinar. So I stayed up and I watched the webinar, and as it kept going, I kept thinking to myself, there's something about Dan that really, I wouldn't say at the time it spoke to me, but I felt a connection there, and it felt like he was someone who really wanted to help other people. And that really came across to me. So by the time the webinar ended and he told us about the high ticket closing course, I literally jumped out of my seat, grabbed my credit card and bought the course. And obviously here I am now, a graduate from the course, and I couldn't be happier for it. My motivation behind it was that I knew I needed to make a change in my life, and I knew that something had to happen. It just didn't feel right, and I literally had no clue how to make money besides working a job. I was in debt at the time, and I still am in debt, but I know now that I can change the situation a lot quicker because of the skills that I've learned, and I got my life in control in my hands, and that really just means so much to me. The fact that you guys have given us this opportunity to change our mindsets, change our beliefs around money, and how we perceive rich people as well. And it's invaluable, honestly, like what you guys have given me. The only other program I really signed up for besides this was Stefan James's Kindle Money Mastery and Business Money Mastery. And I like that, and I like what Stefan James has to offer, but it's something that I will be going back to in the near future. Once I've established myself as a high ticket closer, and once I'm earning the money that I want to earn, and I can then have a couple of online businesses on the side. Not my main focus. My main focus would be high ticket selling, because that would be, as you guys have told us, that's a skill that you can take with you anywhere, and you've always got it in order to earn as much money as possible. And it's just brilliant. I'm still a little bit in shock. Like I've actually done this. This is a real thing, and I've actually put in the time and the effort and the work to go through this 7-week program. And honestly, I can't wait to start to join in the inner circle when I can. This is literally on my goal list right now. I'm going to get into that inner circle group, and I'm gonna smash it. Honestly, I'm going to do so much with what I've been given here, this opportunity. And something that I found surprising was how much time and energy you guys put into changing our mindsets right from the get-go. Instantly I felt like you guys cared, and you wanted us to change our change our mindsets and really understand how we've been living our lives up until now, which has been for a lot of us in a scarcity mindset and just going through the motions. That kind of care and dedication means so much to me, because I could always see the Matrix for what it was, but I didn't know how I could be a part of it and actually thrive within the Matrix. And the best way for me to describe it is, you wonderful people, you've given me and everyone else in HCC the blueprint, the map to taking full control of our lives. Everything is in my hands, and anything that I can change, I will change. Thank you so much for bringing this shift within me. I'm eternally grateful. No one else has made me see this, no one. So thank you guys so much.